Rainbow learning.
A is for apple. A is for ant. A. B is for bat. B is for bag. B. C is for cat. C is for car. K. D is for dog. D is for dog. D. E is for elephant. E is for egg. A. F is for fruits. F is for frog. F. G is for grapes. G is for God. G. H is for horse. H is for house. H. I is for igloo. I is for ice cream. E. J is for jacket. J is for jug. J. K is for king. K is for kite. K. L is for lamp. L is for lion. L. M is for mouse. M is for monkey. M. N is for nose. N is for nest. N. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. P. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Qu. R is for red. R is for rabbit. R. S is for sunflower. S is for sun. S. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T, T, T. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. V is for van. V is for violin. V. W is for watch. W is for walnut. Wa. X is for fox. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Yeah. Z is for zip. Z is for zebra. Z.
Like and subscribe for more videos.